Hello my loves and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I have teamed up with NuMe USA to bring you guys this cute and very simple hairstyle for Valentine's Day using their rose gold curling iron. So if you would like to see how I achieved this super easy, super simple look, then just keep watching. So before starting this hairstyle, I washed and prepped my hair a few days in advance by blow drying it straight with the NuMe Stealth blow dryer. And then I smoothed out my hair with the NuMe Megastar Rose Gold Hair Straightener. And now to start with the hairstyle, I am going to turn on my NuMe 32mm Precious Metals Rose Gold Curling Wand and have that heat up as I'm sectioning my hair and getting it ready to be curled. To create the perfect curl, you're going to start off by putting the curling wand behind a section of hair and wrapping your hair around it, and then releasing that to achieve the perfect curl. As you can see, every single time I curl my hair with the NuMe curling wand, no matter how big of a section I use, each curl comes out perfectly. So I'm just going to continue these steps, working my way up my hair. Now, the curling wand also comes with a heat protectant glove, so if you are new to curling your hair with a curling wand, I strongly recommend using the heat protectant glove, as it is very helpful. But I like to consider myself a very well-seasoned vet when it comes to curling my hair, and I just don't need to use it. So I'm going to repeat these steps, working my way through my hair. And once I get to the top of my hair, I'm going to start curling the exact same way, but I left my bangs out to do last. This way I can curl just like the very ends of my bangs to make sure that they flow with the rest of the curls and they're not like very springy, curly bangs. And here's a look at my hair once I am done curling it. I absolutely love using the NuMe curling wand when curling my hair. It makes my curls look so shiny and so voluminous, and the curls literally last me weeks. So once I've curled my hair or curled my hair extensions with the curling wand, I literally don't have to curl my hair again for a while. Now moving on to the braid, I decided to create a pull-through braid on one side of my hair for a boho look, and I chose the pull-through braid because it is super easy for those who aren't really great at braiding their hair, and I find that the pull-through braid also looks like little hearts, which is perfect for Valentine's Day. So to start, you're going to want to section a small section of hair and secure that with an elastic band, and then just underneath that section of hair you're going to secure another section with an elastic band. Then you are going to let the top section down, split it in half, pull the bottom section through, and pin that up and out of the way. Then with the section that you have let down and split in half, you're going to add some hair to each side and then secure that all together with an elastic band. And you're just going to repeat these steps the exact same way all the way down one section of your hair. Now I do have a more in-depth tutorial on how to create this braid, so I'll have that link down below if you guys would like to check that out, and if you need this slowed down just a little bit for you. Once the braid is complete, you're going to go back in and pull on these sides to fluff it up, and again create the little heart shapes. And that is it. The perfect, super easy hairstyle for Valentine's Day. And that is it. Super simple, super easy, and perfect for this Valentine's Day if you are celebrating with someone special, whether it be your friends, family members. Let me know down in the comment section below what you thought about this quick and easy hairstyle, and remember to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, the NuMe curling wand that I used in this tutorial will be linked down below in the description box, so you can check that out along with the coupon code so you can receive a little discount when you are checking out. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in our next video. Bye!